All right, hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be going over the spacing here and the formatting in the article. So here we go. You can see we do have the intro set up, and I'm going to zoom in here so we can see this better. All right. All right. So we have a sentence with a line break, which is great. And this is a long sentence. One of the things we want to do is we want to write in shorter sentences. So right now, I'm probably going to try to break this apart. Semicolons, like don't write with those. People online want easy. This is not an easy sentence. I can just tell you by looking at it. In today's digital age, where the internet is the stop for most prospective families looking for educational opportunities, mastering the art of search engine optimization is essential. Okay, so let's just shorten that up. There's a lot of loops and things you got to think about. That's a little bit cleaner. Okay. Double space. We've got a good double space here, double space here. All this is broken up. I think I already did this. I don't know if this is already through the article. Yep. So we've got it. Okay. All the spacing is looking good. What I'm looking for is big blocks of text. Okay. Again, this looks like a little bit of a long sentence, but okay, that's all right. Still good enough. We're all spaced out. This is kind of a block, but that is a bulleted list, so that's okay. This looks like this could be 2 sentences here, but that is just a super long sentence. Can provide your school with strategic guidance. Okay, so that's a very long sentence. That's probably something that should have been broken up during the writing process. I'm not going to rewrite all that. It's a little bit long. What I'm looking for right now is just whole blocks of text like this that are all smushed together. And then what I'm wanting to do is to see where's the break here. Oh, here's a new sentence. Okay, we're going to go ahead and break that apart. So obviously all this is already pretty well broken up. I must have done this prior. So this looks good. This looks good. At this point, we're just skimming. Great. Okay, now we're getting to blocks of text, but this is the frequently asked questions. Okay, so we'll get to that here in a little bit. So in this video, we have gone through, we've spaced out the text in the article. See if I can find maybe one example of what this will look like before it's done. Here we go. So here's the SEO article before I put it in, and you'll notice we've got some pretty big text blocks. So what I should have done here in the actual document was just do this in the document. So come here. All right, where is, oh, right there, sentence start. Break that up. Here, break that up. There's another one. Okay. And so that's what we want to do throughout the article. And so then the formatting makes a lot of sense. It's really good. Okay. So that is kind of breaking up the article. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see if there's anything else that needs to be sort of formatted and brought to the front. Okay. How do I say? Having attention brought to it. And we can bold it. Okay. Well, first off here, SEO, search engine optimization. For private schools, I'm going to take out that commas because now we have the keyword here, SEO for private schools. Okay. Is there anything that just really sticks out as obviously important? What's a keyword? Okay. The cornerstone of effective SEO strategy through keyword research for private schools. This means diving deep into the language and queries used by prospective. Okay. We're going to bold keyword research. That seems important. Okay. And is there any like super hard rhyme or reason? It's like, oh, if you don't highlight exactly these right keywords, it's not, no, it's just to grab attention. So whatever you need, you think the attention should be brought to, bring it to that. So content creation, this isn't really a good blog for this because this is just pretty straight informational. But if you're writing your own post with your own opinions, I mean, this is just kind of SEO. I'm not like breaking the intellectual. I'm not really adding anything crazy. But if you have articles where you're really sharing your opinion on how things should be done, then you want to be centering and italicizing things like we've seen in future videos, bolding, putting quotes, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so I don't really see a lot of opportunities here. Struggle. I'll probably just bold here, SEO, school marketing. Okay. All right. So now as we go through, I'm also checking here. Do we have some numbered lists? Do we have some bulleted lists? Okay, we got 2 bulleted lists. That's good. I don't have to have a numbered list in every single post. So those will be fine. Do I have some italics in here? Okay, we're going to go ahead. We'll just italics these. These are, quotes, keywords people might be looking for online. So we'll go ahead. We'll just italics that. That's going to look and kind of grab a little bit more of attention. There we go. Bolded and left aligned. Okay, so we're going through and we're just kind of just enhancing the reading experience a little bit. Okay, the technical health of your website also plays a pivotal role. All right, so I'm going to bold that. We'll throw that in there. Okay. Let's see what else. Having someone on your team with expertise navigating ever-evolving SEO is invaluable. These individuals should do okay. I'm just looking for things that stick out here. Okay. I'll probably bold clickmill.co because that's us and we're selling our services. Okay. So this is what we're going to do when we're formatting. We're going through, we're looking for important words, phrases, quotes, different things like this, where we need to emphasize it. We want to be looking for the spacing, and we're just going through and we're just organizing the text to make it look good. Now, when we've finished making the text look good, I'm going to go ahead and save it as a draft again, and I'm going to preview it. And when you get on the front of the article, you're going to notice if it looks a little weird. It'll be very obvious to you. Okay. And here we go. Okay, so this is the post so far, okay? And you'll see, this looks really nice. There's some space below these. It's definitely broken up. Sometimes things get weird and it's just all crunched right together. And you go, wait, what happened? Oh, I forgot to group it. Or, oh yeah, I didn't break apart the text. You got keyword research popping up there. We've got a link in there. We've got some italics. So this is a really engaging sort of experience. But look at this, keyword research. Why are these different? Oh, well, let's check that. Okay, so we always check the front end of the website. What in the world? Okay, which one do we like better? Let me check. That's the unbolded one. That's very unusual. And then that is bold. What? Okay, there we go. That's weird. When you bold it, it gets smaller. Okay, we're going to save as draft. We're going to double check that. So anytime you make changes on the back end of a website, you immediately want to go look at the front end of the website to make sure those changes showed up right. Sometimes you'll make a change on the back end of a website and the front end is gone. There is no front end. You have to know those things. So always check the front end. So we went in, we changed the back, we bolded it. It's now showing bold. It makes sense with the rest of that. So we really are checking this. I'm not just doing this because we got some cool bold stuff there. I'm not just doing this because I'm showing you. I actually do this, and it's very important. So great, solid. Okay. We got our FAQs. All right, great. So in this video, we went through, we formatted the text, okay? And in the next video, we're going to continue with what comes next in our posting an article online. We'll see you there. God bless.